Live.
Yeah. So, guys, yeah, we're going to learn Kinyarwanda with my wife. It's just gonna be something fun. We're going to do letters and then we're going to learn.
We're gonna do a Kinyarwanda word that starts in every letter of the alphabet to
Alright.
learn each
Okay.
one. So let's start with A or A, which is A in Kinyarwanda.
Already. Amazi.
A ma Z Y
Z-I.
Z I.
Uh-huh.
That's right.
Which is
Amazi.
water. That's not gonna work. We can just upload the document later.
Yeah.
It's water.
All right. That means water.
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 Should be saying water.
Water.
What the hell?
Water.
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 Okay, and then
All right. We'll
La.
do B. Or do you want to do like a sentence it could be used in?
okay,
Okay. So like we'll do an example sentence right now too.
okay. I want water. Chaka amazi.
I want water. Yes.
NSHAKA
NSHAK.
space. Then you add your water.
All right.
Okay.
Nshaka amazi.
Chaka amazi.
Nshaka amazi.
And then B. So most of the words in Kinyarwanda, they definitely start with either A, I, O, U. You're not gonna find a lot of words that starts with B. So we're going to try to find something that is B. It can be, yeah. That you got that one.
Okay.
Vite.
T-A what?
E.
Oh right. It's just spelled like bite in English, but it's vite.
Exactly.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. And what that means, it's an informal way of saying hi.
Yeah.
So when we meet a Rwandan person, you can say Vite, and then they're gonna know it's hi. Yeah. That one is self-explanatory. We don't even need
It
to.
doesn't need a sentence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then
It is the sentence.
yeah. And then C.
Or
Cha. It's
cha.
called cha. Checheka. It's gonna be like C-E-C-E-K-A.
C-E-C-E-K-A.
Okay.
Checheka.
Yeah. Checheka is a command to tell you to shut up.
Okay, that's also kind of self-explanatory. It's kind of it's like that is the sentence, right?
It's just
yeah.
Well, it can be. You can say. You can use it formally, but you have to add some other things, and we're not gonna be explaining all of that right now.
Shut up, brother.
You can say muchecheke, which is it's an easy way of asking you to shut up.
Like, please shut up.
Like, can you please keep quiet? Well, it's keep quiet.
Okay.
Yeah, keep quiet sounds less harsh.
I don't know. I kind of like shut up.
Well,
Okay.
well, actually, okay, I will tell you that one. D.
Or
Da.
da.
Oh my God. Now, my own language. Da. Dufite.
Okay.
Dufite. Te.
Dufite.
Yeah. Dufite is we have.
We have.
So then if you use it in a sentence, then you can add anything. You can say dufite
amazi.
amazi. Yep, we have water. You can put it at the second line and say example dufite amazi. Yeah, so when you do, it's like it's just a conjugation. I'll go back to what I said earlier. Actually, there are so many words that start with different letters, but usually nouns are gonna be starting with either A, I, U, and then when you do wanna say anything other than just a noun, let's say verbs. Verbs are gonna be starting with K and J. Yeah. K and G, sorry. My English is not even my English is troubling me now.
Not even English.
That's not even English. Okay, and then we go to E. Which is A. A. Emira.
M.
Mm-hmm.
E.
Mm-hmm.
R.
Uh-huh.
A.
Mm-hmm.
Emera.
Emira is accept.
Like A.
Agree,
C.
yeah. Emira. Mm-hmm. So that's a command too. It's, for example, you can say accept and do it. Accept, do it. Emera ubikore. Example, emera ubikore. U-I-K-O-R-E. R-E?
You don't
know your English alphabets? Accept, do it. Agree, do it. Just agree and do it. So and do it. So you know the guy Emera ubikore kuko aribyo bikwiriye abana b'Imana. Well,
so this is similar to saying like just do it. Just do it.
No, just do it would be bikore. Bikore, okay. Do it.
Okay.
Bikore. Would be just this one with that.
Bikore.
Bikore.
Okay.
And then we're going to Fa. No, F. Fungura. Fungura. U-R-A. It's open.
Open.
Yeah. It's a command too.
So like open the door?
Yeah. So it'll be then open the door, then it'll be fungura urugi. U-R-U-G-I. So open the door. Fungura urugi. So, and when you do say, actually, if you say it for some reasons, if you end up saying fungura urugi, that would mean eat the door. If you put in like
emphasis on the A.
Fungura.
Yeah.
Fungura fungura urugi.
Then how do you pronounce this again?
Fungura. Yeah, just take your time. It's a lazy language.
But if I say
fungura, it means eat.
Eat.
Yeah, the door. Then fungura urugi, eat the door. But we don't eat the door. We eat.
Right. We eat food.
Fungura umuceri, eat rice, something like that. And then fungura, yeah. Just take it easy when you speak in Kinyarwanda. Don't rush.
Take it easy, man.
Alright, the next one. Ga.
G.
What I said earlier, G's, they're gonna be your verbs. They start with, most of the verbs start with G's and K's. And then the word, find the word that starts with G. Okay, how do you say to love in Kinyarwanda?
What?
How do you say to love in Kinyarwanda?
To love?
Okay, gukunda. G-U-K-U-N.
Oh, I was thinking Ndagukunda.
Ndagukunda is I love you. Gukunda. K-U-N-D-A. To love. And then you can say an example. What do you love? What do you want to love? Well.
Okay.
Well,
To love.
Water.
No.
Or to love what?
I already have that. Let's say animals.
Gukunda inyamaswa. Gukunda, to love animals. Or to like animals. It would be to love or to like. INYAMSW. Oh shit. AMASWA. SWA. I might end up getting a strike for saying slur words.
Which is I love animals or I like animals.
No, that's to love animals.
Oh, to love it.
Because it's not conjugated.
Right.
Okay, and then ha. Homemaker. Homemaker. Ka. Breathe.
Breathe? Like to breathe or just breathe?
Breathe, just breathe. It's a command to homemake. Breathe.
Okay, so that's also kind of self-explanatory then.
Well, yeah, you can say homemaker gache. Example, homemaker gache. I always remember that a sentence starts with a capital letter too in Kinyarwanda. It's the same thing.
Right, and
Gache. A-K-E. It's breathe slowly. Or you can say also humeka buhoro, which is breathe slowly as well. As in, so buhoro. Okay, whatever. I don't have to explain a lot of things here because it would be more confusing. But it's just fagahai. And then okay.
I is pronounced E.
I say maybe inyoni. INY or NI, which is a bird. And then example, you got to say that birds fly. Inyoni ziraguruka. Inyoni, it's written there. You can copy that one. Ziraguruka. ZIRAGURUKA. That's birds in plural, fly.
Okay.
And then I'm going to
J.
J.
Ja.
Ja. Oh my god. Now Ja. Ja. Okay, you're going to go back. I know Kinyarwanda, you don't have to go check everything.
I know. I'm just seeing if I can find something.
JUNDIKA. Alright, so when you have things in your
Cheeks.
in your cheeks, how do you say it in English?
Like, what do you mean? Like you're holding it in your cheeks?
Yeah, let's say you're holding a potato in your cheek, or you're holding a candy in your
cheeks are full?
You're holding no, it's the action of holding something in your cheeks.
Okay.
No. There gotta be one verb to say it in English, and I'm pretty sure there is. No?
No.
Okay, then easy for me then. That it's a command. It's hold it. Hold something. You can tell someone jundika ibiryo, and then.
But it's specifically in your cheeks. Okay.
It's specifically in your cheeks.
Can it be in these cheeks? Because then you can hold a fart.
No, we're on TikTok. You can.
I know.
Okay, kujundika umusuzi. You do hold your fat. No, that's not right. It's not.
Okay.
Oh no. I am gonna remember this one.
Okay.
And then so.
Alright.
Then an example. Jundika. Oh my god, Kinyarwanda is difficult. Ibishyimbo. IBISHYIMBO. Yeah.
Which is?
So hold the beans in your cheeks.
Beans?
Ibishyimbo. Beans. Oh my god. I didn't think it was gonna be.
That's an interesting one. Okay.
Kujundika. The verb would be kujundika. And then
Ka. K.
What verb do you want to learn now?
K.
Because K is for verbs usually. What verb do you want to learn? Okay. I choose one for you. Kugura. KUJ. KUG. Kugura. G. It's not J. G. Okay. That's to buy. To purchase. To buy. And then you can. Now you're going to form yourself a sentence. I'm not gonna form this one.
Okay. To buy food.
And you know what food is in Kinyarwanda, so you're gonna say that.
So you take kugura. Kugura. Do I know what food is? I don't remember what food it is.
Ibiryo.
Ibiryo.
IBIRYO. IBIRYO. Kugura ibiryo, buying food. To buy food. Okay. And then the next one is gonna be La. La. And then this one is gonna be very difficult because I don't know if I'm not gonna even find a word for it. La. I'm not gonna find a word for it. Let's go to the next one. We don't have to stop.
Alright.
It's rarely used in Kinyarwanda. I don't even know if there is a word that starts with L in Kinyarwanda. I don't think so.
Okay. M. Ma.
You're going to tell me 2 words for that one, and there are 2 words that you know already. There are many that we learned today, and then there are more as well.
Yeah. I can't say it.
It's M.
Mubiara. Mubiara. It's cousin.
Yeah. Mubiara, it's cousin. And then which other one? Well, we're just learning one, so.
Mama.
Exactly. Mama. Yeah. Mama.
Mushiki. Sister.
Mukuru. Wishpa. a lot of M's. Usually in relationships, which is brother, sister, aunt, uncles, they start with M. So you're going to form a sentence. You're not done yet. An example of a sentence. Then you would say mama. You'd say mubyara, which is your cousin. Mushikiwa, which is your sister. Mukuru, older. Muto, younger. And then example.
My cousin.
Yeah, you have it written somewhere too. Find it and then tell me. Well, find the one you're going to do in English and then tell what it is and then you tell me first.
That's what I'm doing.
You don't go to cheat. You gotta think.
Okay, my cousin is tall.
Okay. Then how would you say the part that you know? You know how to say my cousin is. No, you're not.
I don't remember.
You're not allowed
I
to
don't
go to
remember.
cheat. Just think. Give it a thought. Come on.
Mbyara.
Mm-hmm. Mubyara wanjye ni muremure.
Wanji?
Yeah.
Why is it W and not?
Mushiki wanjye. Mubyara wanjye. Mubyara wanjye. WANJYE ni NI MU muremure MUREMURE. Okay. So my cousin is tall. Mubyara wanjye ni muremure.
Tall is muri.
Well, yeah, in that context, yes. And then we go to the next one.
N. Nah. Nah. Oh, nah.
Ni is.
Yeah, ni means this, but that's something different than that.
So the next one maybe we should say. Okay.
Nyogokuru.
Yep, nyogokuru. We can do nyogokuru, which is grandma. Grandma. That's how you say?
Grandma.
Grandma.
Or grandmother.
Grandmother. So then. Okay, you are you.
Yeah, I'm pausing for my sorry.
Grandmother. And everyone who joined, thank you so much for watching. We're still going on, and what we're doing here, I'm teaching my wife some Kinyarwanda words, and we're doing words for every letter in the alphabet. So we started from A, which is A in Kinyarwanda. Now we are on N, which is Na. So she's done A, Ba, Cha, Da, E, Fa, Ga, Ha, I, Ja, Ka, La, Ma, Na. Now we are on Na. So then you're going to say Nyogokuru ni mwiza. Grandma is beautiful or nice. Nyogokuru ni mwiza. MWIZ. MWIZA.
You rarely say it. You rarely. Actually, I can't even think of a word in English that you see M and W next to each other.
Grammar is beautiful or grandma is nice. They're all the same. If it was in the Kinyarwanda now that people speak, the youngsters say Nyogokuru ni icyuki. Which would be like same thing, but Kinyarwanda.
Say it again.
Nyogokuru ni icyuki. Now you cannot say that. You can, but it's for youngsters. They say, oh man, nyogokuru ni icyuki. It means she's beautiful or something. And then
Okay.
oh.
Yeah. Oh. It says ooh.
Ooh, oh, ongera.
Ooh.
Oh my god. How do you even translate ongera in English? Is it do it again? Oh my. Okay, let me find another one. Oh. Oh la la.
I don't think that's Kinyarwanda.
Well, it is because we use it all the time.
I guess.
Remember, we do have the words that we just borrowed from other languages.
That's true.
So we do have what words that start with O. Anybody, if you happen to know a word that starts with O, please let me know. Oh. Onjera, Omora, Aurora. Okay, Aurora. Aurora, which means will be like to glow, like some animals. Do you say glow animals?
Glow?
To grow.
Grow.
Mm-hmm.
To grow. So it's an action?
It's a command. Aurora. Grow this thing.
Oh, to grow
Not
crops.
To grow this, yeah. No, it's usually for animals. Aurora, inyamaswa.
Grow, but you don't grow animals.
What do you do?
You raise them.
Okay, exactly. That's why I wanted you to say.
Okay.
So raise chicken, let's say. Raise, yeah. And then if you commanding someone to raise chicken, you tell them Aurora inkoko. No, that doesn't mean grow chicken. It means just raise. Then the sentence
Right,
would be
sorry,
raise
example.
chicken.
Yeah, sorry.
Right.
Okay.
God, someone help me here.
Okay, example is
Aurora inkoko. Inkoko. K-O. Grow. Raise. I mean,
to raise.
I'm just stuck
So
in
it's not to raise, it's just raise
raise.
chickens.
It's a command.
Okay.
Usually non-conjugated verbs, you're gonna find them as K, like I told you, okay, and this one, J. Aurora inkoko. And then pa. Oh my god.
Papa?
I can only find papa. This is not gonna work. Puaro. I'll do puaro. Puaro is literally not Kinyarwanda, but Puwalo. L-O. So pualo will be the green onions.
Green onions?
Yeah, and it's French. We just borrowed it in French. It will be poalo. C'est only poalo. We just borrowed it. You can say poalo ziraryoha, which means green onions are delicious.
Okay, so
Poalo.
oh yeah, well, whatever.
It's here, yeah. Just write down. ZIRARYOHA, which means green onions are delicious. To reiterate, we're learning Kinyarwanda here. I'm teaching my wife some words starting from letter A to Z, and so far we've done A up to P. Yeah. And then
Pualo.
yeah, the last word we
Pualo.
say was pualo, which
But
is
it's French.
literally na Kinyarwanda, but we just borrowed it and we still use it, which means green onions.
Green
Pualo.
onions.
Ubutunguru bwa pualo, which is green onions, basically. And then
There is no Q.
we don't have a Q in Kinyarwanda, and we go to R. Ririmba. Ririmba. R-I-R-I. MBA. Again, it's a command which means sing. I tell you to sing. Ririmba.
Sing loud.
Yeah, sing loud. Oh man, ririmba uranguruye ijwi. Ririmba cyane. C-Y-A-N-E. C-Y-A-N-E. So ririmba cyane will be sing loud, or you can say ririmba uranguruye ijwi. That would be the most proper way to say it. But when you tell someone ririmba cyane, they can understand you're telling them to raise their voice. Ririmba uranguruye ijwi or ririmba cyane will mean the same thing. Okay, the next one. S.
S.
Ha 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 ha. S. Sohoka. S-O-H-O-K-A. Sohoka means get out.
Get out.
Yeah.
Okay,
Example, let's say get out now. Sohoka
get
no
out
now.
of the room.
Sohoka mu cyumba. Sohoka, get out of the room. Mu. C-Y.
One word?
No,
or
different.
C-Y.
U-M-B-A. Sohoka mu cyumba nonaha. N-A-N-O-N-A-H-A. Get out of the room right now. Sohoka mu cyumba nonaha. It's a command, a harsh one. But when you want to just ease it, you can add some things in front of sohoka. Things like that. Please get out. No, how do you say it?
How do you say please? Do you say please?
It's implied mostly.
So you don't have a word for please?
Well, we do beg in Kinyarwanda, but mostly it's implied in the language in Kinyarwanda. You add additional words to mean please.
Okay.
But when you say, it sounds like if you say mbabarira, so okay, please get out of mbabarira will be forgive me, but it would be again please mbabarira. And you're not gonna be adding mbabarira on all the words. Sometimes it's implied. You with other words like why, koze gutya, wagize kuriya, someone is gonna understand that you're asking them please do this. Okay.
Yeah.
T. Turika. I'm trying to find an easy word to use for T. Tubwire. T-U-B.
T-U-B.
B-W-I-R-E.
Two B's?
T-U-B. No. W-I-R-E.
W-I-R-E.
Tubwire. Tell us.
Tell us?
Just one word. Tell us tubwire. And then there you have it. Tubwire. Tell us. Tubwire. Amakuru. Tell us news.
Tell us how you did it.
Tubwire uko wabikoze. It's a long sentence. You don't
Okay.
wanna. You can write it. Tubwire. What do you wanna have? Tubwire. Which one do you wanna have?
Tell us.
Okay, tell us.
Tell us how.
Tell us everything. Tubwire byose. or se. Tubwire byose. Tell us all or tell us everything.
Okay.
Tubwire byose. So the one she said, tell us how. Oh man, that would be even difficult unless you complete the sentence. Tell us how you did it. Tubwire uko wabikoze. Or tubwire uko bikorwa, uko wabikora. Tell us how you can do it. Something like that. Okay, STU.
You want me to write that too?
No, we're going to another word.
Oh.
You.
Yeah,
Ooh.
you. Ooh.
Guys, umuntu. UMU. NTU. Yeah, a person. A human.
A person.
So a bad person, umuntu mubi. Umuntu.
So the T is kind of like silent. It's kind of like a who.
Umuntu, umuntu mubi, a bad person. TU. MUBI. Umuntu mubi, a bad person. So we are on you. To recap, we learning Kinyarwanda here, and we started with letter A up to Z, and we finding words for each letter. If anybody just joined, then thank you for joining. V. Yeah, ready.
Next letter is V.
Vugiriza. VU.
VU.
GI. RI. ZA. Whistle. It's commanding someone to whistle. Vugiriza.
Oh, whistle.
You're not getting it? Don't tell me.
Okay.
Example, vugiriza twumve. Vugiriza twumve. Let's listen. Let's hear you whistling. Vugiriza twumve. Let's hear you whistling. So we're learning Kinyarwanda here, and we are on letter V, and we're finding the words for each letter, and we are on V. We found vugiriza, which is whistling. Whistle. No, vugiriza twumve. TUV. You gotta add the TUV, MVE. TW. TWU. MVE.
Oh, no, I got it. I can do it. I got it. I just was like, wait, what? All right.
Vugiriza twumve. And then another one will be on W. Yeah, write it.
Yes. So what?
Wowe. You. Means you.
Oh, yeah, what means you. Okay. So example is you stink. You.
The crazy part is when you're going to tell someone that you stink, you're not gonna tell them. It's gotta be redundant when you say wowe uranuka, because uranuka exactly means you stink. Uranuka. Or
How about you eat?
urarya. Wowe urarya will be. You can add wowe you, which still is redundant, but okay, you can say wowe wigenda. We gender is W-I. We. Gender. G-E-N-D-A-E. W-I. Oh my God. G-E-A-N-D-A.
G-E-N-D-A.
You don't go.
You don't go.
You don't go. Wowe wigenda. Just to an emphasis. You, specifically you. You know what I mean? Okay. Uva wa yaza. Why?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yego.
Yes. Yego means yes. It's kind of, I don't know how to put that in an example because.
That makes sense. Okay. And then za.
Z. Za.
And there is a word that I was gonna say za. Okay, checheka. I was on the word checheka. The word checheka actually is not that harsh. It's not shut up. Checheka is the easy one. The ziva, Z-I-V-A is the shut up. Ziva, very bad one. You don't say that.
Then we shouldn't write that one.
You tell someone, ziva, that really, ziva, shut up. That's what it means. It's very offensive. You don't say it. Zingahe, Z-I-N-G-A-H-E. Question mark.
Zingahe?
Yeah. How many? But this is specific for, let's say, cows, chicken, inka zingahe.
Material things.
How many chicken in have zingahe? How many chairs? Ingurube zingahe, how many pigs? You gotta add something. You gotta add a noun in front of it.
How many days?
It means ingahe, it's different. You gotta add a noun in front of it. The noun comes before it.
Before it?
Yeah.
Oh.
You can put it in here and then add it.
It's okay.
Inhebe zingahe. You can do ufite inhebe zingahe. How many chairs do you have? Ufite intebe zingahe? INTEBE then zingahe. How many chairs do you have? Ufite intebe zingahe? Ufite inka zingahe? Ufite I almost said ufite imirima zingahe, but that's not true. Ufite imirima ingahe, zingahe. So there is a little bit of specificity in the way Kinyarwanda is said. Zingahe, ingahe, bingahe, angahe. Those are words used for how many. And for example, how much money will be amafaranga angahe, amadolari angahe, how many dollars, how much dollars. And izo nka zigura angahe, how much those cows cost, something like that. So it's a keyword to remember in Kinyarwanda. So, and then we did it. We put the end to the letters, to the alphabet.
Do you want to do a recap?
Yeah, we can do a recap here.
All right.
So, the recap here, we're going to start with yeah, go ahead.
All right, we'll start with A, which is A in Kinyarwanda. We chose amazi, which is water. It means water. And an example would be nshaka amazi, which is I want water. B or be?
Ba.
Ba, not be.
Ba.
It's ba.
Ba.
Aba.
Ba.
Aba.
It's not be. It's not ba.
Yeah,
it's
aba. Aba.
Ba.
All right, aba.
Ba.
Aba.
Ba. Ba. just let the air go out.
It's hard.
Don't close your lips.
It's so hard.
Say ba. Don't say
Ba.
be.
Ba.
Va. Don't close your lips. Va.
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 I told you, take it easy
Alright.
for Kinyarwanda.
But then you say
Va.
vite.
Yeah, say vite. Vi.
Okay.
Va.
Vite is hi. It's
Uh-huh.
very informally, like hello, hi.
Mm-hmm.
Si or
Cha.
cha.
Okay, you're gonna read them in Kinyarwanda, no more
Okay.
English.
Okay. Cha is we chose checheka.
Mm-hmm.
Checheka.
Which is keep quiet.
Keep quiet. Be quiet.
Yeah, be quiet. Yeah.
Da.
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 Not in da. Da.
Did I say da? Okay, sorry. Da. We chose dufite.
Mm-hmm.
We have, which means we have. So dufite mazi. We have water. E.
Yeah, look at me. You have the notes.
Yes. E. We chose emera, which is accept. So accept it or agree to do it. The example was emera ubekore. Agree and do it. Just agree, just do it. Fa. We chose the word fungura, which means open. An example is fungura urugi.
You read everything again.
Urugi.
Read everything that is written. Don't skip anything.
Fungura.
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 Mm-hmm. Just this past
Fungura.
easy, like slow.
Fungura.
Mm-hmm. Don't rush.
Fungura. Urugi. Urugi.
Urugi.
Urungi.
Yeah, like what I said before.
Urungi.
When you're reading Kinyarwanda, sometimes when you rush, you say something else. You would end up saying to eat instead of saying to open.
Right. Open the door. Urugi. Urungi. Urungi.
Uruji.
Urugi. G. I'm seeing G, and I don't know. It's throwing me off. Okay, sorry. That means to open the door, or open the door. Rather, it's a command. Okay. Ga or G. Now we're on to G. The letter G. Gukunda is to love. So gukunda inyamaswa. Inyamaswa is to love animals. Ha or H, the letter H. We chose humeka. Humeka. Break or not break. Sorry, breath. That means breath.
It means breathe.
Breathe.
Doesn't mean breath. It means breathe.
Oh, I put it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Breathe.
And to verb to breathe is with E. That's why.
Yes, I know. I was just okay. All right. So it means to breathe. Like it's the action.
No,
of
it means
breathing.
breathe.
Breathe.
I
Okay.
say breathe.
Okay, so it's you telling me
command.
to breathe. It's like a command.
Or you're
to
telling
breathe.
yourself, let's say you're in a difficult situation and it tells you, breathe.
Okay.
Breathe.
Okay, cool. So, humeka gake. Gake. Breathe slowly.
Just take it easy. Breathe slowly and keep going. Breathe. Breathe. Just breathe.
Then E, which is I in Kinyarwanda. Inyoni. Inyoni is a bird. An example be inyoni ziraguruka. Ziraguruka. Birds fly. Okay. And then ja.
Ja.
Ja. Ja. Why do I keep saying before
You're
that?
adding
Sorry.
N in front of
Yeah.
it. It's just,
Ja.
ja.
Ja. Which is J. we did the word jundika. Jundika. Holding something in your cheeks, like a chipmunk.
Yeah, in your cheeks. These ones for on the mouth, okay?
Yeah.
On your face.
Yes, like a chipmunk. Okay.
Jundika.
An example would be Jundika Ibishimbo. Ibishimbo.
Again, Jundika. Not Jundika.
Jundika.
Breathe. Take it easy.
Jundika Ibishimbo. Hold the beans in your cheeks. Like if you're eating beans, right? And you need to like hold it.
Okay. One thing I will tell you when you would use this verb, let's say you're brushing your teeth. You have a little kid who's brushing the teeth, and instead of swallowing, which is kumira,
The toothpaste.
instead of swallowing the toothpaste, you tell them to jundika korogate, jundika toothpaste, so that they don't swallow it. Wait, brush your teeth and then don't swallow it. Just hold it in your cheeks. Jundika.
Okay, that makes more sense.
And the question that she asked, she was like, if you were holding a fat, would you say jundika fat? No. So now you cannot use it.
I was trying to think of some sort of context to use this word in, and I don't know why that's where my mind went, but yeah.
I gotta go get some water. Keep going.
Okay. Next we're gonna do the letter K, which is ka in Kinyarwanda. We have the word kugura, which is to buy or purchase something. So an example would be kugura ibiryo. To buy food. The next letter is L, but we couldn't think of a word in Kinyarwanda that starts with L. So we're going to skip that one.
Yep.
And we're going to go to M, which is ma. And we have the word mubyara. No, sorry. I didn't say that right. Mubyara. There we go. Mubyara. Which is cousin. Like, you're my cousin. Example. Mubyara wanje ni mure. My cousin is tall. Then we go to na or N. We have the word nyogo kuru.
Nyogo kuru.
That's grandma or grandmother. So an example, nyogo kuru ni muiza. Grandma is beautiful or nice. And then we go to the letter O, which is u. We have the word aurora, which is raise, like you raise your children.
Okay.
No.
So, it's strictly for animals.
Okay, strictly for animals. Never mind then. You didn't say that. You said it was like to raise any.
What example did I give you?
That was just an example, though.
Exactly.
I was gonna give that example.
Use the examples
You didn't. Okay, but you didn't say it was like strictly only for animals.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Okay.
Okay.
I
Anyways.
definitely did.
My bad. My bad. This is how we learn, okay? This is how we learn by mistakes. Okay, fine. To raise animals
You can grow your
on
children.
your farm.
Can you grow your children in the farm? No, you don't. Okay, korora.
I mean, you can.
Korora. So I will
Okay.
give you the other word. The word you can use korora. Orora inkoko, orora intama, but when it comes to human beings, you say kurera. Kurera.
Kudera.
Yeah.
Okay. My bad then. to raise animals like on a farm. Okay. We're gonna go to P, the letter P. Pa.
You can have one
Is-
papa, but
Papa, that's pretty self-explanatory. I mean, even some Americans call their dad Papa. So, we came up with the word pualo, pualo, which is green onions, which he said was technically not Kinyarwanda. It's a borrowed word from French, but they use it all the time. It's a integration of that word, and it means green onions. So an example would be pualo, zera yoha, zera yoha, which is green onions are delicious, yummy. Then we go to the letter R, ra, and we have the word ririmba, which is sing. Like, again, it's a command, like sing, you sing. An example would be ririmba chane, sing loudly. Then we're gonna go to letter S, sa. The word we chose was sohoka, which is get out, like get out of here.
it's just go outside.
Get out.
Still, yeah.
An example would be sohoka mu chumba nonaha.
No, naha. So come
No,
chumba, no,
naha.
naha.
Get out of the room right now. Then we're gonna go to letter T, which is ta. And we have the word tubwire.
Tubgire.
Mm.
Tubgire.
Tugire. It means tell us. An example, tugire biose is tell us everything.
Tell us all. Yeah, tell us everything.
Okay, and we go to letter U, or U, and we have the word umuntu.
Umunu.
So the T is kind of quiet.
Na. Yeah.
Umuntu.
Yeah.
Okay, is a person or a human. Umuntu movie is a bad person. V or va is, we have the word vugiriza, which is whistle, like whistling. An example would be vugiriza tumve. Let's hear you whistle. Let's hear you whistling.
Let's hear whistling.
Then we go to the letter W. Wa, which would be wa. And we have the word wowe, which means you. Y-O-U. Example, wowe uyenda is you don't go. You don't get to go. We don't go. Then we have y or ya. Example is Diego, means yes. Kind of self-explanatory. That's the answer to something. You say yes or no. Diego. Then we have Z. The word is zingahe. How many? Which means how many. It's a question. So an example would be ufite ntebe. Inhebe. Zingahe. How many chairs do you have? That's a question. So because it's a question, the word zingahe comes after how many of whatever it is you're asking about. Like how many comes after.
Say that again.
Like zingahe comes after what you're asking about. Like the thing you're asking about of how many they have.
Okay. Yeah, we have it now. You have it all here. If you need anything else, just let us know. We're gonna be here some other times teaching you Kinyarwanda step by step. Ciao, ciao. Hasta la próxima vez.
What?
Naho ubutaha. See you next time.
Nabahuta.